Hey, good morning. This is T. Evans with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you a 2023 Bennington 24LX swingback. This boat here has got a smoky granite exterior, SPS pad, Pontoon package on it, powered with a Mercury 200 outboard. The interior of this boat's silver with graphite accent. It does have the glass windscreen on it. Give me just a second and I'll climb aboard and show it. Let me show you the exterior here. Do have, of course, docking lights up front. It is a smoky granite, so it's kind of it's a dark charcoal gray with a little hint of metallic in it. Outboard here. Swing around. It's got the swing back here. It is the deluxe swing back for the LX series, so these two back cushions here and here, they'll pop up and you can lay forward facing. That guy right there will fold down. It does have the rear speaker upgrade, so you've got the nice stainless Bennington emblem on the back with LEDs inside on the speakers. Climb aboard, you got a nice walk-through transom here. The swing back here will swing back this way so you can sit rear facing if you're just out lounging. It's a stowable table there, of course. It does have the graphite carbon accent, diamond pressed pillow top upholstery in it. Storage up under all your seats. It's got the RGB indirect lighting on the floor, speaker lights. Storage up under your backrest. Nice forward lounge on the port side. Nice forward lounge on the starboard side. Speakers, cup holders on the 20% cutouts on both sides. And in the back there. Moving on to the helm here, like I mentioned, the glass windscreen's new for 2023 for Bennington, so it is a nice, adds a real good texture and look to it. Now, we do the Simrad Go 7 in this model. Rockford PMX2 upgrade, kicker speaker upgrade. It's got your RGB control there, got a nice glove compartment there. Elevated helm. Got storage up under your helm, of course. Nice captain's chair. Again, this is a 2023 Bennington 24LX swingback, located here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. This boat is in stock, motor in stock, ready for the lake. Give us a call, 864-236-9005. Have a great day.